Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can add bilingual captions to your videos in CapCut PC. So to do that, you're going to go to text. Hopefully I have enough credits. If not, you're just going to have to see here. There's going to be the bilingual captions setting, and you're going to select what language you want the subtitle to be in. I'll just do Indonesian because that's the only other language I know. And then you're going to just select generate. And does take a few minutes depending on how long your video is. So there's going to be two subtitles, like on the top I think it's the one you're like speaking in, and in the like on the bottom it's the bilingual subtitle if I'm not mistaken. But that's pretty much it. As you can see, yeah, it's gonna be on the top one, and you can again edit your subtitles here as per usual. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.